In today's video, I'm going to teach you create your first task in ClickUp. If you're opening ClickUp for the very first time or just want to sharpen your workflow, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable process to get from zero to a fully created task with confidence. Before we jump in, a quick note on what a task is in ClickUp. Think of a task as the core building block of your work. It's a single action item or to-do that lives inside a project, and it holds everything you need in one place. Inside a task, you'll find space for a clear description, subtasks to break work down, attachments for related files, and a dedicated comment area where your team can collaborate. Because ClickUp is highly customizable, tasks can also display details like due dates, priority levels, and custom fields for things such as budgets or links, so all the context stays together. First, log into your ClickUp account. Take a moment to enter your email and password carefully to avoid any typos. Tiny errors can cause big delays. If you've saved your credentials in a password manager, use that to speed things up. Make sure caps lock isn't on and double check the email spelling before submitting. Once you're in, head to the list where you want this task to live. In any list view, click the Add Task button. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press T to open the Quick Create window. Give your task a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what needs to happen at a glance. Next, assign it to the right person. If it's for you, selecting yourself keeps ownership unmistakable. Then, set a due date. Choose a realistic date that aligns with your schedule and any dependencies you're tracking. When everything looks good, click Create Task to finalize it in your chosen list. After creation, you'll see your new task ready to go. You can now view or add supporting details that help work move forward smoothly. The description area is great for instructions or checklists. Subtasks are perfect for dividing responsibilities, and attachments keep related files right where your team expects them. Comments provide a running conversation, so decisions and updates live alongside the work. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might also see priority flags or custom fields. Use them to surface what matters most without hunting across tools. If you found value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover this tutorial. Drop a comment with what worked well for you or how we can improve. We read every single note, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.